Hello everyone, welcome to Remindax demo. In this demo, we are going to discuss how the Remindax works. Now comes the drive section. In the drive section, basically drive section is for the attachments. So you have all the attachments, all the documents for all your document reminders. So you can basically sending those attachments so that anybody who is basically going to see the reminder, they can see the document as well. So this is a drive section where you can basically see all the files like certifications, there are subfolders or not, and I would like to create a new folder. Within a folder I can do that, or I would like to upload a file, I can do that as well. So I will be able to see all the reminders over there, all the documents over there, all the attachments over here, and these are different. If you would like to edit and delete, you can do that. That's it from my side. If you have any question, you just contact the support and you can proceed to ask any question and we will be happy to assist you. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.